Interactive stereoscopic 3D using WebGl. So for those of you who haven't heard about WebGl yet, WebGl brings plugin-free 3D graphics to the web, implemented right into the browser. It is managed by the non-profit technology consortium, the Kronos Group. For more information, visit their site kronos.org. And for those of you who are interested in learning WebGl, there's a very nice and comprehensive site called, guess what, Learning WebGl. So check that out, very interesting site. Okay, back to 3D Feed. Just one word more to these new and open standards, HTML5 and WebGl. We think that these open standards will change the look and feel of the internet as heavy as Flash did in the past. And yeah, just check out the development and the progress in these areas. Okay, so we have the our little 3D scene here, our 3D counter, which counts up the days from the day we started the site. Right now we are 23 days online. Okay, as I mentioned before, we have the 3D volume control working here with the counter, so I can adjust the 3D impression of it. Let's put it to full screen actually, detaching the window, and then hit F11 to make it full screen, and then I want to focus first on the surface of the counter, like that. And as you can see, the little lights here pop out towards you in the front, in the out screen. And now let's say I want to increase the 3D volume to make it more 3D, and I simply can click here to change the baseline of the cameras actually. So I'm controlling with these parameters, I'm actually controlling the 3D camera. So let's bring it to full volume 2, and then I need to readjust the focus also a little bit, like that. And now I have more 3D. And I can freely rotate around the scene. I can pan with the middle mouse button. This only works in full screen, by the way. I can scale it using the mouse wheel. Can reset the scene using the R key. So this is only a little demo scene, a technology demonstration, what's possible with WebGl and how stereoscopic WebGl actually can look like. We will implement more interactive 3D scenes in the future in our site, and there's actually much more possible with interactive WebGl than simple 3D scenes. Only also mini games in 3D, in stereoscopic 3D, will be possible in the future, and even things like 3D controls for the website. So what also will be possible is that we can change the primary links to 3D rendered buttons, let's say, or we could have the thumbnails in 3D. So there are many things possible with that, and our plan is to 3Dize the whole website. So check out our site on a regular basis and see what changes we implement with this technology. So that's it on the interactive 3D scene. Let's continue with 3D photos.